Today we're showing you our newest 5-star resort style listing in Malibu. It has incredible ocean views, a killer pool, a 26,000 square foot lot, and its own private skate park. But before we show you the rest of what this amazing home has to offer, let's take a quick look at where we are on the map. 6271 Zuma Mesa Drive is right in the heart of Malibu, minutes from Cross Creek Country Mart. You've got Pura Vida, where you can grab an acai bowl or smoothie and start the day light. You got Broad Street Oyster Company, which is the spot for a lobster roll and a cold beer after the beach. Sun Life Organics is where locals go for protein shakes and superfood. And if you want to shop, you've got Kith with streetwear and sneakers, Vince for clean everyday style, Chrome Hearts for bold luxury pieces, and Vuori for performance clothes you can wear anywhere. And I'm only naming just a few of the many designer stores and restaurants Cross Creek has to offer. Just down the street from Cross Creek, you've got Nobu Malibu, famous for its oceanfront setting and high-end sushi. It's the kind of place where you might spot a celebrity at the table next to you. Then there's Soho House Malibu right next door, an exclusive members-only club where people come for food, drinks, and a private spot to take in the coastline. We're also just minutes away from some of Malibu's premier surf breaks. County Line is the mellow spot, perfect for longboarders or anyone looking for a more user-friendly wave. Right next to it is Leo Carrillo, known for its epic right-hand point break that draws more experienced surfers. And then there's Zuma Beach, a 3-mile stretch with heavy barreling waves that surfers chase all year round. I'm Christopher Shahinian with the Ben Bellac Group. Welcome to Malibu, and let's start the tour of this amazing home.